Solar mystery when a piece of the Sun breaks away. Our Sun, a massive, complex star that powers life in our solar system. But what happens when a piece of this celestial giant suddenly breaks away? On February 2, 2023, NASA's James Webb Telescope captured an extraordinary event, a massive piece of plasma. A superhot, electrically charged gas dramatically detached from the Sun's surface. Solar physicists like Tamitha Skov and Scott McIntosh were stunned. This wasn't just a random occurrence, but a precise phenomenon that happens once every solar cycle. Let's break down what's happening. Solar prominences are massive, bright features extending from the Sun's photosphere into its hot outer atmosphere, the corona. They're essentially loops of plasma, a super hot gas mixture of hydrogen and helium. In this case, a large plasma segment broke away and was swept into a massive polar vortex around the Sun's North Pole. And here's where it gets truly fascinating. This happens precisely at 55° latitude every 11 years. Despite decades of observation, scientists still can't fully explain why this happens. It's connected to the Sun's magnetic field reversal, but the exact mechanism remains a mystery. The Sun continues to surprise us, a reminder that even our closest star holds secrets waiting to be unraveled. Each observation brings us closer to understanding the complex dance of our solar system's central star.